Don't miss out on products made to simplify your daily routine. Explore carefully selected items across multiple categories, including clothing, gadgets, home solutions, tools, and more. These products are designed to support comfort, efficiency, and everyday convenience. Click the link in the description to access exclusive deals. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Upgrade your daily routine with practical product choices. This collection features everyday essentials, from clothing and accessories to gadgets and home